Hi there, this is Tori Ponder Brown from the Pilates Room Antigravity Studio. Have you recently received an email to inform you that your credit card has expired or that it failed, or maybe your credit card has been hacked and you just need to change it in the system? If so, this video is for you. To change your credit card information, you can log in to the WellnessLiving system, and you'll find the login from our homepage at nypilates.info, and then click on Sign In. You'll be taken to a page that probably looks like this, and once there, you can click on My Profile. Once on the profile page, you'll see another row of navigation up here. Choose Billing and click on that. And then down here, you will see saved credit cards. So if there are any credit cards that you don't want us to use or credit cards that are expired, you can click here to delete those. And then to add a new credit card, simply click on this button and enter the required information. Pretty straightforward, but technology is technology. So if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. You can call the studio at 607-330-0957. You can also text that number, or you can email info@nypilates.info.